Hello guys, welcome to Forex trading strategies. I've been gone for a moment, but I'm back, and I told you guys I'll be dropping videos very frequently lately. Okay, so right now I'm going to teach you how you can trade the boom and crash successfully. Okay, it's going to be a very educative video, so I will advise you get your pen and paper and follow along. Okay, it's quite simple as that. But if you want to trade the boom and crash, one thing you must understand is you must have a binary account or derivative account. Okay, it's the same company. If you use the URL, it links to the same website. Now, to use the right link, the link is going to be in the description of this video. Okay, check it and you see the link to register right there, so as not to register on the wrong site. And also check the comment section, okay, of this video. You will see the link right there. Alternatively, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp and I can put you through, create your account and all. Okay, so let's get started. And also, before I get started, sorry, I have a Telegram channel out there where I get to drop my trading setups. I drop my analysis once in a while, and you can benefit from that as well. So if you like that opportunity, then click the Telegram link and join it. Okay, and you are welcome. So that being said, let's get to our trading setup. This is Crash 300 right here. Crash 300 on 1 hour time frame. I've done some settings on this, okay, and the basic settings I did was the candle colors. Okay, so my bullish candles are green, the wicks are also green, while my bearish candles are red and the wicks are red. For example, let me zoom into it a bit. This is a bearish candle right here. Okay, no, sorry, this is a bullish candle right here. This green candle, this is a bullish candle, and you can see that the wick is green. This is a bearish candle right here, this red. Okay, I think we understand it that way. So whichever time the market is moving up, for example, let's take for example from here. Okay, sorry, not this. Whenever the market is moving up, and you just need to pick a line real quick. Whenever the market is moving up, you will see that the candles are green. Okay, the candles are always green. Okay, so a good example, you can see from here to here. Okay, this is a trend from here to here, and you can see each candles are green. Okay, only the only red ones, okay, red ones, they are bearish candle. Now let's go and set up our trading interface. You can't just trade like this. Okay, you have a lot of things to help you out in your trading nowadays, so we don't have to trade like we are in some stone age. So this is boom and crash. Let's assume you've opened your account and you have it in this way. Okay, the color does not really matter. Okay, whichever color that suits you is okay. Now let's add some indicators. Okay, let's add some indicators. And one thing you must understand at this stage is you do not have to necessarily complicate your charts. When you have too many indicators on your charts, it's very difficult to read your chart. Okay, you end up confusing yourself. Other YouTubers or other trainers or people that run YouTube channel in this niche set up some kind of indicators that are very difficult. No, I like keeping my own simple. Okay, so let's go ahead. We are going to use 3 basic indicators, and I think I have them right here in my notes for us. Okay, so we'll be using the moving average. We'll be using 2 moving averages. Okay, moving average 50 and 100. The first one is exponential, the second one is simple. Okay, so grab your pen. So while I'm scrolling up and down, you can write this down so you can always remember. Then we'll be using the relative strength index. So we'll go ahead and apply it to our chart. Now I totally understand that not all traders uses a PC to trade. Okay, if you are not using a PC, there is no problem. If you only have your mobile phone with you and that is what you use in your trading, there is no problem. Okay, I'm going to do a second video, okay, a replica of this video. Okay, it will be the same copy, but it will be on the mobile version. Okay, so depending on when you are watching this or what time you are watching this, you can definitely check the description of this video to see the mobile setup. Okay, the mobile version of this video, and watch it. Okay, simple as that. And let's get started. Okay, I'm going to add indicators. Quite different how you add indicators into this chart. Okay, on mobile phone you just click on the screen and you click the F button, okay, the plus. But on here you click on insert. Okay, once you click on insert, you click on indicators. Okay, indicators. Then you come down to trend. Okay, under this trend, if you hover on trend, you see a lot of indicators right here, and one of it is moving average. Okay, that is our first moving average. We click on the moving average. Now we need to enter the details. Okay, I showed you guys the details the other time. Okay, the first one is period 50. Okay, shift 0. Our method is exponential, apply to close, and the star is red. Okay, so the period is going to be 50. It is exponential, shift 0, apply to close, and the color is red. Is it? Let me check once again to be sure. The color is red. Okay, I'll just click on that, and we have our 50 moving average. Here we have our 50 moving average. Now we need to add another moving average to it. Okay, this one is going to be 100 this time around, but it is a simple moving average. The method is simple, and the first one is exponential. Okay, take note of that. It's 100. Then the color is yellow. Okay, that's how I have it set up on my mobile phone for my trading. So I'll go to insert again, to indicators. Indicator, I'll come to trend, and I'll go to moving average. Okay, this time around the period is 100. The method is simple. Okay, simple. Then this color, I'm going to apply yellow. Okay, yellow. Let's click on it. Okay, that is good. Now if you think these two lines have the same pixels, and you want the 100 to be thicker than the 50, for simplicity, you can come to this place, go to indicator list, click on the first one, and you can see 50, and you can see the star right here. So you can choose whichever line you want. Okay, this is the one we are using. You can choose a more tiny one. Okay, let's choose this one and see if it's going to be okay. Okay, I think that is okay. So we have our 50 moving average to be red, and it is tiny, while our 100 moving average is yellow. Okay, and it's way thicker. So that is the first thing we need to do. The other things we need to set is RSI, which is relative strength index. So using the same method, you go to insert. Okay, go to insert, go to hover on indicators, you come down, you hover on oscillators. Okay, I think RSI is under oscillators. Okay, we have, see here, relative strength index. Okay, we have other relative like relative vigor index, but this one is relative strength index. Okay, so we are going to set this up. Okay, and this has more parameters. We have the period to be 14. Okay, period is 14. Okay, so we'll click on parameters, and the period is 14. Apply to close. Okay, the color depends on you. Okay, but I'm going to leave it on orange, so I'll go to levels. Okay, so levels, I'm going to edit the levels. Okay, so we have level 70. Okay, according to my setup, I think we have level 70, right? We have 70, 10, 90, 30, 100. Okay, so I'll just go there and impute it. Okay, one after the other. Okay, so I've added the RSI. Okay, just for simplicity, I'll click on the chart again. I'll go to indicator list, and I'll click on the RSI so you guys can see it. Okay, I'll double click on here, and you can see these are the levels: 70, 10, 90, 0, 100, and 30. Okay, so the 10 is the buy zone. Okay, 10 is the buy zone. 190 is the sell zone. What does that mean? I'm going to explain all of this for you. So take a look. Let's close this. Take a look at here. Okay, see the buy zone right here. So when the market approaches this level of 10, that shows that the market is oversold. Okay, the market is oversold, and the bulls are going to step into the market to keep buying it, so the market can go up. Okay, but this is volatile. This is crash 300. It is way volatile, so you will hardly see it in the 10 region. Okay, the region of 10. Okay, so this line right here, let's see if I can pull out something to circulate here. Okay, this arrow right here. Okay, this arrow right here. Okay, I hope you can see this arrow. That is the 30 region, and this arrow right here, this other arrow right here. Okay, let's move it up. This is the 70 region. So you can see that the RSI moves between this 70 and 30 mostly, okay. Whichever time it approaches 30, okay, look at here, it approaches 30, it finds a way to go up, okay, then move towards 30, goes up, move towards 30. You can see that it's very close to 30 here, moved all the way up. But in some kind of market condition, you might see it go below the 30, okay, but mostly you can see when it approaches 30, it's going up. Does that mean that whichever time it approaches 30, we should enter the market? No, that is not what I'm saying, but this is the setup we are going to use, okay. And you can see that mostly when it approaches 70, it is oversold and it's going to sell, okay. But you can see in cases like this, it went over 70 all the way up, okay. Look at here, it went over 70 all the way up, then it's approaching the 70 level back, okay, to sell, okay. That is awesome. Now we need to combine the two indicators, or the three indicators, the two moving averages and the RSI, to determine or to predict a favorable trading setup for us. So what am I trying to say? Now let's try to analyze the market and see what is going on. This is Crash 300, right? And I'm checking the 1 hour time frame. Of course, people might say, hey, Forex trading strategies, why are you using the 1 hour time frame? That is not realistic. That is too large. You cannot open your market in the 1 hour time frame. No, of course, you cannot open the 1 hour time frame, but I analyze in the bigger time frame, okay, because the trend is way stronger. When I analyze in 1 hour or 4 hours time frame, then I can choose to enter in the 30 minutes time frame, okay. So first thing you need to understand is, whenever this 50 moving average, this red line, crosses this orange line here, okay, the 100 moving average, that shows that the market is on uptrend. Now take a look at here, okay. Let's take a look at this point, okay, that it crosses it all the way up, okay. You can see all the way up, that is about 1,200, about 12,980 something pips, okay. That's a whole lot of pips right there, and that is 29 bars of 1 hour time frame, okay. Each of them is 1 hour, 29 bars that it moved all the way up. So you can see whenever it crosses it, that is a huge uptrend, okay. I'm going to go back a bit to show you guys other ones before we move. Whenever it crosses it, it's an uptrend, okay. Let's take a look at here. Look at here that it crosses it, okay. You can see it crosses it a bit, there's an uptrend. This uptrend is for this one candle, okay. Let's take a look at when it crosses it from down, okay, not when it went close to it from an uptrend then it goes back up. No, we are looking for a position that crosses it all the way from down, okay. Take a look at here, so you can see it crosses it and it moves all the way up, okay, all the way up. That's about 21 bars, 11,580 pips, okay. So let's see how we can use that to trade. First, it has to cross it. Take a look at here, it has to cross it. The second, it has to be the buy level, okay. It has to be approach 30. It has to approach 30 before we can enter it, okay. When it approaches 30 and it crosses it, then we can think of entering the market, okay. I hope you get my point. When it crosses it and the RSI approaches 30, okay, that is when we can think of entering the market. But that is not all we need. First thing we need is the trend of the market. I always say it, and it's a common saying when it comes to trading, that do not trade against the trend, okay. The trend is your friend until it ends, okay. Do not trade against the trend. Now, how do you know the trend of this market? If you draw a trend line from down here all the way up, okay, you can see that this is a serious uptrend, okay. This is a serious uptrend. Even our RSI gave us that indication, okay. You can see that this region right here, okay, let me see if I can get something circular. Okay, this region right here, you can see, sorry, oh, this does not want to enter here, so I'm going to pick another one. Sorry for that. I'll get better at this, hopefully. This region right here, okay, I don't know how to expand this, but this region right here, okay, show us that the market is very, very bullish. Now let's go to bigger time frame to see what the market is saying. Let's go to H4. Okay, we go to H4, compress it a bit, and let's try to zoom in a bit. Okay, let's try to zoom in so we can analyze the market fully. So let's see. Okay, you can see the trend. This is a very serious uptrend, okay, serious uptrend. If we are to zoom back a bit, okay, let's move back a little bit, okay, let's move back a little bit. Okay, so take a look at this. This is the chart we have right now. Okay, this is where the market is currently, and we are analyzing to know what trend the market is. So you can see all of these higher highs right here, higher highs, this lower lows. You can see that the market is above all of it. Okay, take a look at here, this RSI. Look at the way it moved all the way up, okay, to what level right now? 74. That's way above 70. So you can see we are on a serious uptrend. Now if you want to go deeper a bit, let's go to 1 day time frame. You can see this is where the market is. Now if you are going to predict this, this is an uptrend. Of course, you can't just see a single uptrend moving all the way to the top without any retracement, okay, without any retracement. So it's going up. You see that we don't have any resistance level around here, okay, no resistance level. So the market is going to keep going up, okay. Probably when we can have any serious resistance is above here, okay. Let me put a line here, okay, above here, where there's so many wicks there, okay, so many candle wicks there. So this is going to keep moving, but that doesn't mean you should enter with a huge loss side that the market is going to reach, okay. It might take a lot of time because it might try to create a new confluence level here, okay, where there's going to be accumulation before it goes up and have a distribution, okay. So this is a very effective setup that I have been using, okay. So if you watch it all the way to this point, I have a gift for you. My Telegram link is going to be in the description below, okay, where I'm going to give you some kind of trading setups, okay, over time, and also give you my analysis, okay, in the market, okay, what the market is saying. I give you guys my analysis and you can do your own before you enter the market, okay. So but basically I'm going to drop analysis over time, okay, in that group. So this is a very effective method that I've been using to trade the boom and crash, okay, and it has been wonderful. The other things you need to be careful of is risk management, okay, and that is for risk management, patience, okay. So thank you guys for watching. There will be other videos coming your way. Check the description below for some deals, and thank you guys and bye for now.